Joseph, do you think Dad will want to die at home or get all the medical treatments to keep him alive, even if it means he can't come home? That's a really big question. I have no idea if he's comfortable sharing details of his health at the end of life with anyone. He's so private, but we're talking about death and how he dies. If we can start to talk about all of this, we might open the door. He's so tough to talk to, but I realize he's not going to live forever. Would he prefer to be talking to a doctor or a religious person or us or his best friend? Where do you think he would best talk with us about this? At home at the kitchen table? At a restaurant? Taking a walk? Using a video chat service? I keep thinking about what we could say with Dad. I'm happy to change my draft to say we if you are on board. Or do you want to have me meet with him one day and you a few days later? Dad, I need your help. I've thought about when Barbara died so suddenly. I was so sad that no one seemed to have ever talked to her about what she wanted at the end of life. Who did she really want involved in her health care? I mean, she couldn't talk, and we don't know if she could hear. Were the right things done? Did she want to keep trying to be cured? I mean, so many operations in those last few weeks, and that left her being legally alive, but not able to know anyone or anything near her. And she died in that ugly hospital room in bed. Did she want to be at home? Dad, what do you think about keeping this conversation going? When would be a good time to talk more? What should you tell me or tell us now that we don't know? Dad, who else would you like to hear you talk? What do you want to ask or talk about? You have to keep talking. This is not a one-time chat, but at least we're trying and starting. And I'm not going to take a no, I don't care, I'll be dead. That's not okay. That's not fair. And I'm ready to just tell him that. What do you think? I asked him, and he said he was excited. We're both coming over tomorrow at 5 o'clock for a light supper. I think we could set it up as a light-hearted startup conversation. Are you ready? Remember, Joseph, what the conversationproject.org says. It always seems too soon until it's too late.